welcome to Embody Harmonic Yoga. My name is Samuel. We've been looking at suggestions for how to start a home yoga practice, and in this video I want to talk about your intention for doing so. This is possibly the most important part of the process because your intention is like a seed from which your actions grow. And the more potent and vital that seed, the more strength and energy your actions will have, and then ideally, the more successful you will be. When surveyed, 90% of people who were asked, why do you do yoga, say flexibility, which is great. Yoga can do that for you. But yoga can also provide strength. Yoga can also help manage stress and promote a sense of well-being. And if you are in a place in your life where maybe you're starting to question, your habits and your patterns, or questioning the world around you and how do you fit into it, yoga's got some great tools for sitting with those things and coming up with some answers for yourself. And if you just want a cute butt, that is okay too. Yoga butt is a thing. What's important, though, is to get underneath that first layer of answers. So let's just say that I want to start yoga because I want a cute butt and to be flexible. So what I would do then is imagine a life with a cute butt and being flexible. And then imagine a life without those things. And take a second and really, really think about it, really sit with it. And then notice, how does it feel, right? Perky, fun, healthy, easy to move, and what does that bring? Enjoyment, ease, confidence. And on the other hand, right, flat or saggy butt, pain, stiff, not really able to move, maybe prone to injury, and how does that feel? And so when you can compare the emotional flavor underneath the intention with a life without having achieved that intention, now you've got something that's more powerful than that first answer that you may have come up with. Having a clear intention is going to help you find the right class and the right teacher, and also stay motivated in the long run. I was working at the front desk at a yoga studio, and this gentleman came in for the first time. He was from out of town, and he came in for the 8 p.m. class and signed up and went inside. And the class was taught by a teacher. The teacher had a very high energy, physically demanding practice. He played pop music really loud. And so there was this element of entertainment and working out and just very boisterous and lighthearted and fun. And the guy came out 10 minutes after class had started, and he was really upset. He said, "This is not yoga. There's no meditation. There's no peace. There's none of the hallmarks of yoga." And he was just really upset. Now, the teacher had a really strong following, right? 50 to 60 people every night in his classes. And the 8 p.m. slot is not a super popular slot, right? So there's something about what he was offering that did speak to a lot of people. So we can't just say that teacher was doing a bad job, wasn't teaching yoga. That's not the whole story. The whole story is that this gentleman had an intention. He wanted something that would be centering, that would be still, that would help him, get quiet. And the reality of the situation was very different. And so his expectation versus reality, there was a mismatch, and he got upset. And of course, I refunded him. But for you, right, the more clear you can get on your intention, the more that you will avoid wandering into the wrong classes, right? Because I don't want you to go to a class and have a horrible time and think that that's what yoga is and then write off all of yoga. So getting clear on what you want and why you want it, so that you can make really good choices when you're choosing teachers and classes, and so that you can refer back to those intentions when it feels a little hard to get motivated and we're a little sluggish and would prefer to just stay in bed for a few more hours. So that's it. If you would like to share your intention, I'd love to hear it. Just pop it in the comments below. If you're not sure and you'd like me to reflect back to you, we can go back and forth in the comments below and maybe help you get clear on your intention. And please stay tuned for our next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It does help a lot. And I will be seeing you very soon.